So, what do you think? Do you like this? How do you keep a car clean? How do you keep a car clean even when it looks like it's dirty? Well, maintain your car. Keep your car clean will give you a peace of mind. It will make your car last longer and it will give you a good first impression of you. So, even though a car looks like dusty and rusty, sometimes keeping it simple, absolutely simple. Like the paint job, I mean, people walk right past us and think it looks like not so cute. But keeping your car clean will give you a peace of mind. Just simple, right? It'll make your car last longer. Making sure it's dirt free, dust free. Well, how many times should you wash your car? Well, I suggest at least once or twice a week, you should make sure that you don't have a dirty car. Yes, start inside, but don't forget the outside. Bird poop, keep it free of things, clothes, shoes, books, and trash. Well, I was walking down the wonderful beach and I saw this marvelous truck. I thought something about this stands out. It looks really nice. And then once I looked underneath the hood, I was like, this is a clean truck. Well, if you don't know already, I'm responsible for a 4Runner, TRD Pro. Well, I guess this is a Chevrolet. But back to the subject at hand, keeping it clean is the best thing you can do. Keeping it free of books and debris. Just keep it clean, like this truck right here. Well, if you watch this to the very end, I'll show you how I actually keep the truck clean. Yes, absolutely keep it clean. Well, I saw this and I thought maybe I'll take a few pictures. You know, it's not fancy, it's not red, but it's absolutely clean. Just simple. And he says a lot of people walk right by it because they don't pay attention to it because the way it looks. But the way it rides is a whole different story. And underneath the hood, absolutely marvelous and fabulous. Well, while we were talking to the gentleman, he gave a piece of wisdom. If you're thinking about getting a new paint job or rebuilding your car, don't do it. Just drive your car, because if you want your car to stay in the paint shop for 4 months, you're wasting driving time. Anyway, just drive your car. Just drive it. Just ride it. You don't need to keep it in a paint shop for 3 months, I mean, trying to like redo it, repaint it. The next thing you know, it's 6 months, and then you have a problem with this, and they need to fix that. Sometimes you need to just take it on the road as is. As is. See, this car is just real simple, but it has a style, right? It has like features. Something about it is different. You can spot it in a parking lot. And people walk up to this car and go, that looks really nice. But it looks like it's pretty much clean, free of dirt. This was his car. We were talking about it. We were talking about the hood, etc. And I like cars, so this was nice. So I thought I would show you a little piece of this fabulous car. But I just want to tell you, keep your car clean. Now the summer is coming, the weather is changing, spring is here. Do not let bird poop sit on your car, because on a hot day it can cook, it can ruin your paint job, and that's not what you want to do. So keep it clean, wash it up, check, make sure you check it, like the outside, the inside, the hood, the top of it. Just keep it free of debris. And I'm just showing you that this is like a simple like paint job. It just looks original. It looks like, okay, just a car, but it rides different. So it's better than what all these plugs waiting for electrical car, you think? Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I try my best to wash the cars twice a week. It's $3. I do not use the brush, but what I do is make sure I rinse it off with basic water, soap, and spot-free rinse, because I'm checking for scratches, I'm checking for bird poop, I'm checking for dirt, I'm checking for bugs. So keep your car clean. But I wanted to just show you this truck because it looks really nice. And I'm sure washing it or keeping it covered or keeping it in the garage, if you have access to that, just keeping it clean. And if you can find like a self car wash that'll charge you like $3 for 2 minutes or $3 for 4 minutes, rinsing it once a week, keeping things out of your car. You don't want your like things in your trunk all junky. You just want only what you need for your car: some water, a spare tire, some wipes, some tire shine, just things you need in your car. You don't want to keep it all junky. And every now and then you need your engine clean, and you also need a professional detail. So if you can do that, and I'm not talking about a wax job. All right. But anyway, I'm going to show you right now. I'm at a car wash. I'm responsible for washing 3 cars. I definitely like washing my own cars by myself. If I feel fancy, then maybe I'll take it to a car wash, but they're charging now like $39, $40 for a car wash here, and you got a tip. So you can do it yourself. Make sure there's no bird poop, bugs, dirt, mud. Check for scratches. Use like a real high powered water and just get it in. And the same thing with the soap. And then at the end, you can use the protection, or you can use the tire cleaning, or you can simply just rinse it off really well. And just make sure you soap it down and check for every little thing. Even if there's like a paint chip or a rock hit it hard, check it, stay on it, because you want to maintain your car, because your car represents you. Your car will last longer if you clean it and maintain it, and you keep it free of dirt and shoes and french fries and those things like that. And then when you're drying the car, the best thing to use is a soft towel. If you continue to watch this video, you would see it at the end. But this is what I'm doing. I put in like $3. I rinse it and I wipe it down. And that keeps it from dust free, and I do it all the time. There it is. And do not use the brush at these self car washes. You have no idea who was there before you. So don't use the brush. If you can use a bucket at home, that's what you should do. These you can purchase at Costco's, and you can dry your car with it. They're very soft. Do not use the softener in the dryer. Just make sure you wash them separately and a light little drying, and you put them on your car, and they're absolutely fabulous. Well, this is how you keep a truck clean, and I thought I would share some of this information, how I keep these cars looking cool. This is a TRD Pro 4Runner. I also keep a RAV4 clean, and I also keep a Dodge Challenger Scat Pack looking clean. So take my advice. Keep your car clean on a daily basis, inside and out. Okay? You only need water in your car and a hand sanitizer. You don't need all that extra stuff in your car because it makes it look junky. You know what I mean? Because someday, if you turn your car in soon, it won't look so bad. And if you're keeping it clean on a weekly basis, you can get your money back. So anyway, I just thought I would share what it was like to keep a truck clean. Also, a truck that I saw that was on the road that was clean because it was just simple. So I suggest you do the same thing. All right, I think I've said I think I said too much, but hey, I said enough. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.